today we're gonna play with this random girl. And it's gonna be dead silent in here, just so you know. I would turn on my music box. Is she even in here? Yeah, she's here. By the way, I changed my user and my, you know, they have my silly face. At least. But I'm level 38. I'm just waiting for her. I was eating apple, my bad. My bad, I was eating pretzels, my bad. Okay. I'm gonna buy stuff. Damn, I'm kind of poor. My game's lagging. What level is she? Oh no, she's level 1. Oh, did it? I don't know. Is she just mentally dumb? I'm sorry everybody, it's gonna take a while. Thank you. Okay. Actually, she's not that good yet. So we're just gonna do easy. She can start us. I don't feel like. Make us start, girl. I'm lead now. Apparently. My volume needs to be turned up all the way. Just so I can get jump scared. She has one of those bees too. I have one of those bees too. Oh my game is glitching. Oh. Yeah, why is it like this in here? I love how my game is just glitching. I will leave. Like demonology. What is she looking at? So it's 19 out there, so we're kind of good. $19. Turn on the light switch, please. Damn. Whoa. Now I have to do this all by myself. I'm doing one round of this because my game is glitching. for real. Who the flip is flying above me? I think it's a waste. There's no way I didn't step in that salt yet. My game is so laggy. I'm sorry for the lag. Why did I actually sound like Adopt Me pet for a second? What should I add? I want to add this. EMF. My EMF reader. I didn't upgrade my Orby thing and my laser because I'm lazy to do that. Okay, it's not wasty. But I seriously can't see. There's orbs right in front of me, bro. I'm scared. We could flip and no, it's not a skinwalker. Unless it does. Chance it won't. Where did she even go at? Oh my goodness gracious. I might quit for real. No way, it just walked out. It is dead. No prints. It could be a skinwalker. Oh no, it could be a skinwalker. Okay, I can't be a Vesper. Good thing. But if I get Wither and orbs, it's nothing. Should we go for the best? It's Wendigo. Wendigo. Thank goodness. Orbs were fake. Good thing it's not a goal. Does goal have handprints? Bye, y'all. We're playing a different game. It's not baddies, trust. Are we doing a mukbang? Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, I'll be right. Right in my ear. Be right back. So I put on some music. Angel just like crazy. All the girls are girly. All the girly girls. Funny. Be for real. Don't leave your food out. Okay, ASMR. That's why I'm in. The music isn't helping. After this game, I'm posting this on YouTube, and I'm gonna make another video after this. It's gonna be baddies, by the way. Yeah. All to go. I can't go back anymore. Is this cheese sauce? That's honey mustard. I can't reach it. There. It's gonna work. Brand damage. ASMR. Did I just eat it upside down? Did I just eat it from the bone? But I got more over here. Thank you. Right in my... Hey Brindley, what's up? Okay, Mom. Ding. I love that sound. So magical. Oh look, she loves something. What's that facing? What's this bro doing, bro? But you know what? We should try. Just wait to be people. He's too stunned. He's too stunned. He's too stunned. Hi, bro. What's up? Hi, bro. He knows what I'm doing. He's okay. He's smart. Hi, bro. What's up? Bro, you know I can still keep eating it. Man, that's a lot for you. You're so biggie. Like, honestly. I'm going to the second floor. I love my second floor clothes. Because look at this. I got beautiful view. We're gonna do a little mukbang of I don't know. Corn dog? Wait. I don't want my phone hot. Burrito tacos. Britney Spears tacos. After this, I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay. Go. Okay, well, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'll see you guys there. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's video. Sorry for my bad quality. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Brinley out.